everyone, and welcome. You know, have you ever felt like you're jumping through a dozen hoops online just to buy one simple thing? Well, that whole process might be about to get a major upgrade. We're going to dive into some new tech that's making shopping as easy as, well, sending a chat.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You finally find the perfect thing you're looking for, and then, ugh, the checkout process begins. You're juggling a million tabs, trying to remember a password for a new account, and filling out that shipping form for the thousandth time. But what if you could just skip all of that?
Hey, I'm host Adeline, and here at WeblineIndia, we are absolutely passionate about making technology actually work for people, not the other way around. That's why this new way of shopping has us so excited. Just imagine going from, oh, I want that, to it's on its way, all within a single conversation. So let's break down exactly how this works.
So, what is this next chapter in shopping all about? Well, it's really about closing that annoying gap between discovering a product and actually buying it. AI has gotten really good at helping us find things, right? But now, it's finally getting the power to help us buy them too. And this is the whole idea behind what we call agentic commerce. Okay, so let's meet the star of the show, instant checkout. Picture this. You're chatting with an AI, maybe getting some gift ideas. It shows you a cool pair of headphones, and you think, perfect. With just a couple of taps right there in the chat, they're bought and paid for. No new websites, no forgotten passwords. That's the magic. And the journey for the shopper? It is incredibly simple. You just ask a question, something like, find me some good wireless earbuds. The AI shows you a few options. You see one you like, you tap buy now, you glance over your details to confirm, and that's it. Seriously, you just bought something without ever leaving the conversation. So you're probably wondering, how does this actually work behind the scenes? It sounds a bit like magic, but it's really just some very clever technology. Your AI assistant isn't actually handling your payment. Instead, it's using this really powerful open framework that connects you directly and securely to the seller. And at the very heart of all this is something called the Commerce Connect Protocol, or CCP. The easiest way to think of it is like a universal translator for e-commerce. It lets any online store, no matter what platform it's built on, speak the same language as your AI assistant. And that means you can buy from millions of different stores, all from one single place. Now, what makes CCP so great is that it's built on these really solid principles. First, it's open source, so no single giant company can control it. It also works with the payment systems we all already know and trust, like Stripe and PayPal. Plus, it's designed to be simple for businesses to adopt. And maybe most importantly, it's merchant first, meaning sellers always keep control of their own business and customer relationships. Okay, so this is about more than just convenience. This is a real game changer for both shoppers and for businesses. So let's talk about why this is such a big deal. It's really a win-win. For us shoppers, it's a dream. Super simple, totally secure, and zero friction. But for businesses, this is a revolution. They can suddenly reach millions of new customers without being stuck in some giant marketplace. It levels the playing field, you know? A small independent shop can get just as much visibility as a huge retail corporation. Of course, anytime we talk about payments, the number one question that comes to mind is security, right? Is it actually safe to be handling payment stuff inside a chat window? The answer is yes, absolutely. And here's why. First, you are always in control. You have to explicitly confirm every single purchase. Second, your actual payment info is never shared. Instead, a super secure one-time use token is created just for that transaction. And finally, the merchant only gets the absolute minimum info they need, basically where to ship your stuff. That's it. And believe it or not, this is just the beginning. The future for agentic commerce looks even more exciting. Let's take a quick peek at what's coming up on the horizon. So coming up soon, you'll be able to add multiple items to a cart. Then, this whole system is set to go global, supporting more countries and currencies. After that, the AI is going to get even smarter, giving you much more personalized recommendations. And for businesses, they'll get better tools and analytics to understand how customers are finding them, which is huge for growth. Now, this all presents a massive opportunity for businesses out there. But the question is, how can you make sure you're ready to jump on this new wave of shopping? Well, that's where having a great technology partner can really make all the difference. Adapting to new platforms like agentic commerce is exactly what we live and breathe at WeblineIndia. We help businesses build these kinds of seamless and secure shopping experiences so that you can focus on what you do best, running your company. So we can help with the whole shebang, really. Everything from integrating your store with that Commerce Connect protocol to building custom AI solutions that can give you a real competitive edge. Our teams are also experts in e-commerce, mobile, and web app development, and we're ready to help you grow. Ready to chat about the future? You can visit our website at WeblineIndia.com to learn more, or just send us a quick email at info@WeblineIndia.com to set up a free consultation. And hey, don't forget to follow us on social media to get all the latest news and insights. And of course, if you found this breakdown helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always digging into the latest trends in tech and commerce to help you stay ahead of the curve. You know, at the end of the day, it really all comes down to this one powerful idea. With agentic commerce, that gap between seeing something you want and actually owning it is becoming practically zero. For shoppers, it's seamless, and for businesses, it's a direct line to motivated customers. So the final question is for you. Is your business ready for the conversational commerce revolution? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and maybe share it with someone else you think would find it interesting. We'll see you in the next one.